In this video, we're going to look at how to hide grid lines in a specific worksheet in Excel. I'll provide you with 3 ways that you can hide grid lines in a specific worksheet. In this example, we have 3 worksheets called Data 1, Data 2, and Data 3. And what we want to do here is to hide grid lines in only one of these worksheets. Let's say in this example, we only want to hide grid lines in the Data 2 worksheet. The first thing that we're going to need to do for any of the 3 ways that we're going to go through is to select the worksheet in which we want to hide the grid lines in. So let's go ahead and select the Data 2 worksheet. With the first method, go to the View tab and then uncheck the grid lines checkbox in the Show group. This will immediately hide the grid lines in the Data 2 worksheet. Let's go ahead and check out the Data 1 and the Data 3 worksheets to make sure that the grid lines are still displayed in there, which they clearly are. Let's return to the Data 2 worksheet and display the grid lines by checking the grid lines checkbox. With the second method, go to the Page Layout tab and uncheck the View checkbox under the grid line setting in the Sheet Options group. This will again hide the grid lines in the Data 2 worksheet. We can go ahead and check the Data 1 and the Data 3 worksheets to ensure that the grid lines are still displayed in there, which they are. Let's return to the Data 2 worksheet again and display the grid lines. With the third method, go to the File tab and go all the way down to the bottom and click on Options. This will display an Excel Options dialog box. In there, select the Advanced option and then go down until you get to the Display Options for this worksheet heading. In the drop-down field to the right, you should have the worksheet in which you want to hide the grid lines in selected. And that should be automatically selecting the selected worksheet, which in this case is the Data 2 worksheet. Under this heading, you'll see the Show Grid Lines checkbox. Go ahead and uncheck this checkbox and then click the OK button. You'll notice that the grid lines in the Data 2 worksheet have now been hidden. We can go ahead and check the Data 1 and the Data 3 worksheets to ensure that the grid lines are still displayed in there, which they are. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.